Hello friends, welcome to my channel First Steps. I am Dr. Tushar Rane, a consulting physician from Mumbai. Today in this video, I'll be discussing with you diet to be taken when you are a diabetic. Towards the end of the video, I'll be discussing certain useful tips that will help you to live a healthy life. So keep watching. Food plays an integral part when it comes to the management of diabetes. So what is diabetes? Diabetes is basically excessive blood sugar level, which happens because of two main reasons. The first reason being decreased insulin production by the pancreas, and the second reason is insulin resistance, which leads to decreased influx of blood sugar into the body cells. Now, what are the foods that need to be consumed when you're a diabetic? Foods with a low glycemic index. What do you mean by low glycemic index? Low glycemic index foods are those foods which are having a low propensity to increase the blood sugar level. Secondly, foods rich in fiber. Foods rich in fiber basically reduce the total gastric clearance and hence decrease the absorption of blood sugar into our system. Thirdly, foods that are rich in proteins. They cause a feeling of fullness, thereby decreasing the amount of snacking that we do and therefore control the amount of blood sugar within our body. Other foods such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants amounts to a healthy diet needed for the control of blood sugar level. Now coming to foods that need to be consumed when you're having diabetes. Number one is fish. Basically fatty fish. Fish is one of the healthiest foods. Fishes such as salmon, sardines, mackerel are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduces the risk of heart disease. They are rich in proteins and improve the metabolic rate, which helps in the control of blood sugar levels. Second, eggs. Eggs are rich in proteins and helps in the control of inflammation in our body. They are an excellent source of potassium, which helps in improving the muscle health. Egg yolk is more beneficial than egg white as it contains biotin, which seems to help in insulin production. Third, whole grains. Whole grains are high in carbohydrates but help in control of blood sugar level as they are rich in fiber and slow the digestion process, leading to a relatively gradual rise in the blood sugar level. Whole grains also make us feel full, thus helping in weight loss. Examples are substituting white bread with brown bread, white rice with brown rice, and including oats for your breakfast. Fourth is green leafy vegetables. The best green leafy vegetables are the ones with a low glycemic index, high fiber content, and rich in proteins and other vital vitamins and minerals. Dark green leafy vegetables are supposed to have a higher nutritional value, like spinach, broccoli, and fenugreek. Proteins make you to feel full for a prolonged duration, thus making you feel hungry less often. Fiber in the vegetables help in slowing the gastric clearance, thereby leading to a gradual and slow absorption of the sugars into the bloodstream. Vegetables like carrots are rich sources of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K, potassium, and antioxidants. Next comes fruits. There are a few fruits that need to be consumed in diabetes and a few fruits that need to be avoided. Here is a list, first list of fruits to be consumed when you are a diabetic. These fruits are rich in fiber, which helps you to reduce your total blood sugar level and sugar absorption from your diet. Fruits like apple, orange, strawberry, cherry, guava, grapes, kiwi, all these fruits help in containment of your blood sugar levels. whereas the fruits that need to be avoided are banana, watermelon, mango, custard apple, chiku, and pineapple. All the fruits can be consumed in moderation when the blood sugar level is under control. There are no such fruits that should be totally avoided when you are having diabetes. There are some other foods which need to be consumed and play an important part in control of your blood sugar levels. Number one, chia seeds. They are high in fiber and help in control of your blood sugar level. Number two, flax seeds. They need to be ground properly before use. These also are rich in fiber content. Third one is turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is an anti-inflammatory agent. It is not absorbed well, hence needs to be consumed with pepper. Fourth is garlic and ginger. Ginger and garlic reduces inflammation, blood sugar levels, and bad cholesterol levels. Number 5 is plain yogurt. Plain yogurt or dahi. It is low in carbohydrates and high in proteins. It reduces the appetite, thus promoting weight loss. Number 6, cinnamon and clove. Cinnamon and clove are having a potent antioxidant action which reduces the oxidative stress. Next is nuts. Nuts such as almonds, cashew nuts, hazelnuts, pistachios, walnuts are high in fiber, low in carbohydrate level, and have a good nutritive value. Now here are a certain useful tips that help in control of your blood sugar levels other than your diet. Diet constitutes an important part when it comes to control of blood sugar level. But other than a healthy diet, regular exercise, yoga, meditation, relieving physical and mental stress, listening to soft music, going out on a vacation are other activities that help in the overall fitness and healthy well-being of our body. Diet, along with the other measures, help in weight loss, which further leads to decrease in the insulin resistance of our body, which helps in control of blood sugar level. Drinking at least up to 2 liters of water daily helps to hydrate ourselves and keeping us healthy. Have a heavy breakfast. Have early and light dinner, which should include more of fruits and salads. Avoid long exposures to television, laptops, and mobile screens, especially late night, which may lead to irritability, stress, and sleepless nights. Lastly, it requires less effort to smile than to frown. So keep smiling always. Thank you.